Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to enable automatic updates for the Messenger app on your Android device. Follow these steps to ensure your Messenger app stays updated effortlessly. To begin, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to launch the store. Next, tap on your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options available to you. From the menu, select Settings to access the Settings menu for the Google Play Store, where you can customize different preferences related to app updates and more. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Network Preferences to set network-related settings for the Play Store and app updates. Lastly, locate the option Auto Update Apps and choose your preferred update setting. You can select Auto Update Apps over Wi-Fi only, or Auto Update Apps at any time, based on your preference. By following these steps, you can enable automatic updates for the Messenger app on your Android device. This ensures that your Messenger app is always up to date with the latest features and improvements. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you keep your Messenger app updated seamlessly.